Hey, let's go. Divilo kuba. My coat dropped again. I mean William. Divil my him. Ukuba my goat dropped again. My goats are fighting. It's crazy. It's crazy. They are fighting. It's war. Alright. But upudleji utikle I saw a Facebook yaboba exam. Uti this is the last one. Ainjani. Sisalindele, I hope, I don't know, nobody flashes or respond, but I hope he responds because we are entertained. Chat. We are entertained, chat, and that's why we are here. We are instigators. We are instigators. We are journalists. We are here to make sure this thing is done on a proper manner. We respect umsebenzi wabo amabras. Yabo? We respect, and this is good. This is good for us who love chaos. I like violence, me. I like violence. And please save me violence. Put legend dropped again, chat. Put legend dropped again, chat. And that's why we are here, chat. We find out what's the goal? Utini put Uyawatin. He also dropped it as a shot. Did you drop it as a shot, chat? Oh my god, it's a shot. The Joker is crazy. The Joker is madness. But masicho again. Uyawatin. Utin.
Masa nangoka majita ndifuna ndiwile kota kandipoti nila Ditafta ingomezi nga before nilala nkwazo vila Kutala ya chuta ngobonga omchita kota kakanbona kutwa Ngoku yiwa stiki zono zo this is tiki Zanga umutu bopeta nga Kalo benchilo nda pali nga Kalo kampega la chisi pan Kacha nitikwa kuteta nga Twanya kanduze ichombe zna Kapa oloko batleba nga Andizu koga izandla zam Dichona ngoku zikweli ka Spelo nyanguza bodala nga Kalo nangoku nevali na Uzunganguzu banjola ban Sutani ndaba ungeni ndaw Kacha singapinta bazam Soza bazivale indwana zam Kululubwana ekagela ngena seyindala Paya kwindaba san Shota mande jika sakela
Let me tell you, City. You really can't mess with Dale G's flows is because I did not expect this. What? Are you kidding me? Utadutini, uyawatini. Ay. Okay, Masiam. Diaiva, everyone's on the team. Diaiva, legend, Diaiva.
Sadina ngoka bandona baskangela basa ngilasi negama lakho soke nembiza ngopapa wami sapa lokhu
wabantwana baskangela wesa nimazi negama lakhe qha nimbiza ngopapa wami. What? Oh my days.
Thini kabili kathathu uzonibona awufakela ngibina ubifa kolonyaka kakene ngxaki kolandelayo kanti
ngibela ubifa kolonyaka kakelandela
sika ngibona lesilwana nalona nimbeke phansi ngoba yazama nokena apho antini nceda kolova bami lena ngizonyela nimbezo simphiwe igama imasti bathabalala.
Lena I don't need no help for my niggas. I don't need help from my niggas. Dibafuna, what did the poet say? Dibafuna one by one. Nah, I'm thinking help from Mobolova Bam. That's a good shot. Cause now it feels like a Pacaniel type of situation. Yeah, well, it feels like a Pacaniel type of situation. Cause Uko can step in the booth and cook. But Brew is like, nah, I don't think if it's war, let's face it. Let me stand on business. Yeah, well. Ofuni beef kunyaka olandelayo.
Andebek ningikuthetha kwabo ngifana bongo uzenzele ishobo unganibiza ubithoba ngikhona akukho ngxaki sodibana go vile kaloku uthi ufuna unbox aninangxaki ubani uthini ndiyafika kule kaka egame undigxob Fethu xampota zophote le top isithwi kanti sithathe kwimbona nobuza isithulu uzosiva ngengcono kanti bekunenebendla bayambona kwese zikaka zinawo nomqolo kulele mthanda ndisikima nomqolo kule siflak ungabuza kobhola sikhule sibamba ngayibona xa useklasisi izinto zakhona sikima amantombazane sikhule sisikima amantombazane ixesha lodubula ukwanto ndigqibele ngabo nokuba bathini emva koko akhonza thethwa nabo
Umqibi freestyle. Umqibi freestyle. Yabo likwala.
Yes sir, my son.
Awuthi likwala. Silly man. Silly man. I couldn't need hella fat. I couldn't need hella now. I couldn't need hella now. I couldn't need a costume. But yo, this beef is far from over, chat. But this thing is far from over. And I hope, gents, this thing doesn't get physical, man. It's entertaining, bros. It's entertaining, yabo. Tina instigators. It's entertaining, yabo. But let me so much say this, chat. As much as the reactor goes, yabo. Deep inside me, yabo. As much as ndithanda lokho yabo amajita ashiyene yabo ngendlela ashiyene ngawo yabo and ayazazi ba ashiyene njani wona it's cool, it's okay, abantu vele amonodexe babe kanje yabo. So what I'm saying is that as much as the reactor and the senses when sensayo yabo, I love hip hop yabo, ndithanda kakhulu game. I've been listening to hip hop since way back yabo, but I can't ngamli. So what I'm trying to say is, as much as le way ndibona man ndifaka inhlanzi kwathini ndibasela yabo, we're because I love the game, ndiyithanda indlela lo umtsalatsalwana cool. Deep down inside me ikhona into engayithandiyo about this thing, ikhona into lapha ngaphakathi kum yabo, inside me deep down ethi ayikho right xa inje, it's not healthy like this. Reason why, let me tell you, this is not a form of giving flowers now, yabo. There's no better space to do this than here, chat, yabo. Just think about a hip hop scene, yabo, closer rap, especially in the Eastern Cape before Flesh Kumkani and Put Legend. We did not know by closer rap is everywhere like that before. It was only Ibai, Port Elizabeth, PE, Ekabeh. That's how far hip hop, hip hop, based on my knowledge. Shout out to Msumbone as well. Shout out to Rodman. I hope good Abukoyota. It was only Ibai. Outside Ibai, we didn't know by hip hop can exist. Shout out to Ifani as well. Uflesh Ngumgani no Put Legend has made Amabrazi have made Eastern Cape proud. Omabini yabo enze umahluko kakhulu cause intwana ngoko esebhazia yabo iyayibona neni bahamana uTalegend umuntu walapha engingqene kwalapha eArean yabo kwalapha eMthatha. So meaning this thing is possible. Intwana seWhittle C ibona ubra ingwaseqonqa ba man, this thing is possible. Uyospana no MT or Put Legend are making big songs there. Yabo big moves at Juice. You get what I'm saying? Imagine those two powerhouses fighting now. You understand what I mean? They are powerhouses from different areas, but under the same umbrella. Yeah, I appreciate Kakulama Puter. They have made a lot for the game. Yeah, I'm just sending the flowers to them at this point. Yeah, both of them. Yeah, Imnandi distracts says enjoy cool. But think how far they've pushed this thing. Yeah, because any household name that like we are able to spread amehlo to the people like about Just G. There's people like Leaks Kunene. I don't count him a cat that moved from my hometown years I pick up in order for them to blow. Not saying Kundo wrong alone, but I'm just saying Amaputeri have stuck like Flesh will not have a song in Genalali Pagat. Put Legend will not have a song in Habinam Tata Pagat. Telling you about Wakula no Lili. He's gonna tell you the music video I will shoot a limpashe. yuke kula intro, best song ever, best intro I've ever heard in my fucking life. And imagine I listened to as far as Jay-Z, but yo man ngayenzi into Maputeri, I appreciate you kakhulu Maputeri, you've done a lot for the game, yabo. You've done a lot for the game. Andithi makuthini, yabo. Andithi makuthini, yabo. Because ndandingekho andithi makuthini, yabo. If ever ngadrop distrack ngoku ngaphi nomnye trophy ndizawuyobasela. Sharp Maputeri.